students, how are you all? Yes, I know you are very fine. Today we are going to learn the third standards social studies lesson number 1 unit 1, that is a solar system. Okay, before start the lesson I want to ask you some question. Shall you give me? Yes, very good. See, what do you see in the sky during the day? What do you see in the sky during the day? Yes. Anyone guess answer? Yes. During the day, we see in the sky. Yes. Yes, anyone say? Blue clouds and also sun. Yes, na? Yes. But sun we not see that open our eyes. Yes, na? Yes. Now second question I want to ask you. What do you see in the night the sky? What do you see in the night sky? Yes. In the night time what we see in the sky? Yes. Stars. Yes, correct. Moon. Stars and moon. Yes, na? Yes, very good. So students, today we are going to learn what is the solar systems. Yes, what is the solar systems. And we start the first point there, the stars and planets. What? Stars and planets. On a dark night, we see many points of light in the sky. These points of light are heavenly bodies such as stars and planets. What? On a dark night, we see many points of light in the sky. These points of light are heavenly bodies such as stars and planets. Do some of these the points of light seem to a twinkle? We also say that twinkle. Yes, na? Yes. That we say the rhymes there, twinkle, twinkle, little stars. Yes. Do other points of the light seem to be a steady? Okay. Now, what are the stars? I have think this question. What are the stars? The point of a light that the twinkle are stars. Stars are large ball of fire that give out the heat and light. What is the star? Stars are the twinkle stars, that is a large balls to fire that give out the heat and light. Yes, na? Yes. Now we study about what are the planets. The point of light that shine steadily are the planets. The points of the light shine steadily are planets. Planets do not have their own heat and light, but reflect the light of the stars. Planet, they have no their own heat and light, but it reflect the light of the stars. Planets go around the stars in a regular fixed path. This path is called the orbit. What is the orbit? The planets go around the stars in a regular fixed path. This path is called a, yes, orbit. Very good. Now see, stars, planets and other heavenly bodies make up the universes. What is the universes? The stars, planets and other the heavenly bodies make up the universes. Now we have studied about the solar system. Yes, solar system. There are 8 planets that go around the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. We live on the planet called Earth. Where we live? Yes, that also planet, and we call it Earth. Yes. What is the name of 8 planet? Mercury, yes, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus, Neptune. Okay. I am showing you the downside. See here picture. In the picture there are the total solar system. Okay. Yes, that is a small clip of video. Okay, see. Some time ago, people thought that there were 9 planets, but now Pluto has been taken out of the list of planets. It is now called a minor or dwarf planet. Okay, minor or dwarf planet means it is a very small, little, teeny planet. Okay, yes. The 8 planet and the sun from the solar system. See here they are showing the picture of 8 planet and their solar system. Okay, that I also showing you the small video how that moving each other orbit. Okay, see. First is a sun, then Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and this also Pluto small. Yes, very small. This all is a solar system. Do you understand? Yes, very good. In this picture, Mercury is the closest to the sun. Mercury is the closest to the sun. In the solar system, there is a Mercury is a first and that is the closest to the sun. Venus is the brightest and the hottest planet. Venus is the brightest and hottest planet. Earth is on the planet known to have a life. Earth is the only planet known to have a life. Mars is also known as the red planet. Mars is also a red planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Saturn has many rings and the moons around it. Uranus was the first planet discovered with the help of the telescope. Neptune is the last known planet of our solar system. It takes 165 Earth years to orbit the sun. 165 Earth years to the orbit the sun. Okay, this all is the given the information here. How many that is a 8? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Do you understand? Yes, very good. See here, catch up stars, planets and other heavenly bodies make up the, yes, what is stars, planet and other heavenly bodies make up a universe. Yes, na? Yes, very good. Universe. Mercury is closer to the sun, but Venus is hotter. Mercury is closer to the sun, but Venus is hotter. Venus has a thick blanket of gases surrounding it which traps the heat in like an oven. But what happened? Mercury is closer to the sun, but Venus is hotter. Why? Why Venus is hotter? Yes, Venus has a thick blanket of gases surrounding it which traps off the heat in like at an oven. So it is hotter than Mercury. Are all planets the same size? Do you think? Are all the planets the same size? Yes? No. All planets are not in same size. See, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the large planet. These all are the large planet. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, the large planet, and Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the smaller planets. These all the smaller planets. Who? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the smaller planets. Yes. Now students, the four inner planets are made of rock and metal. The outer planets are called gas giants and are made up mainly of gases with a small rocky center. Yes, the four planets, inner planets, are made of a rock and metal, and the outer planet are called the gas giants and are made up of the mainly of gases with a small rocky center. Okay. Now see the picture of, I am showing here a small picture in downside our video. See, a scientist of the studies the star, planet and everything in outer space is called an astronomer. An astronomer. The main instrument he uses for his study is the telescope. This is a picture of telescope, and also I am showing in a downside the picture of, yes, telescope. The telescope helps the astronomer see the distance heavenly the bodies clearly. You know what is the uses of telescope? Yes. In this telescope, the astronomer the study about our universe and also the distance of heavenly bodies clearly. Okay. Now the very important thing we have studied. Okay. Let us see rotation and revolution. What is the rotation and revolution? Yes. Is this the very important, because these all related to day and night. All this related to make a month, week, year. This all things make by a rotation and revolution. Okay. Let us now study about this. What is the rotation? Okay. First is a planet spins around its axis. A planet spin around its axis. See in our, I am showing you downside the video small in, yes, there, that is how is the planets, yes, spins around at the axis. Okay. The axis is an imaginary line around which a planet spins. This spinning, the movements is called a rotation. What is this movement? The spinning movement, that is called a rotation. Yes, all planets move in their orbits around the sun. These movements of the planets around the sun is called a revolution. Yes, that also I am showing you. What is the revolution? That picture video also downside see. Okay. One revolution around the sun is 1 year. One revolution around the sun is 1 year. Earth takes the 365 and 1/4 days to go once around the sun. Do you think about it? No, na? Yes, I know it. Because how is a 1 year completed? One revolution around the sun is completed the 1 year, and also Earth take the 365.5 days to go once around the sun. Yes, na? It is easy? No, na? Yes, very good. Do you understand? Yes, very good. Now we study about how day and night happen. Okay, let us see. As the planets spin, different parts of the surface face the sun. The parts that face the sun have a day. Those that face away from the sun are in a darkness and have a night. See here, the showing the picture in the here, which is the parts of face of the surface of the sun, face of the sun, that time have a day, and when the face away from the sun are in a darkness this side, okay, that time have a night. So earth rotate once on its axis in 24 hours. Okay, let us see. I am showing the video, small video here. How is the rotation and revolution became? Okay, yes. We study about the earth. Earth is the only planet known to have a life. Earth is the only planet known to have a life. We also live where? Yes, on a earth. Life is the possible on earth as it has water and air. What is on the earth? Water and air. Air and water are both of the necessary for life. This both of life necessary for our life. What? Air and water. Earth is a shape like an orange. See this shape. Earth shape is like an orange. It is like a ball that is flattened at the top and bottom. It is like the ball. It is flattened and yes, top and bottom. In the olden days, the people thought the earth was flat. The olden day, the people thought the earth was flat, as it looked flat to people the standing on it. They were afraid that if they walk on a cell far enough, they would fall off the edge. In the year 1519, Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, took his ship around the planet and came back to the place from where he had started. How? Imagine this. Yes, na? He started where, and Portuguese sailor took his ship around the planet and came back to place where from where he had started. This showed the people that they could not fall off the edge of the earth. Many years later, the photographs of the earth were taken from space. This showed that the earth is round. We study about the constellation. Constellation means sometimes a group of the stars in the sky that the sea seems to from the pattern when seen from earth. This group is called a constellation. Constellations maybe is a name after gods. Mathematically, the creatures, animals or object means when the stars is coming in group of that mythical. Some well-known and easily visible constellations are Ursa Major, Great Bear, and Ursa Minor, Cassiopeia, Orion, and Gemini. Now study about the satellite. Satellites are heavenly the bodies that move around or orbit a planet. Our Earth is the natural satellite is the moon. It is the reflects the light of the sun. Children, our Earth is also satellite. Our Earth is a natural satellite is the moon. It is a reflect the light of the sun. Do you understand? Yes, very good. Human beings have also sent the artificial satellite around the earth. India has sent many artificial satellite into space. Some well-known ones are Aryabhatta, Bhaskara, and Chandrayana. Chandrayana, this is the recently that the sending the artificial satellite. Yeah? Okay. See, some word splash we take. Twinkle twinkle means when the light is alternately bright and dim. Imaginary, not real, but is there the only in the mind. Spin, turn around and around very quickly. Mythical, found in the flock tales or old stories and may not be a real. Okay. Now are balls. Do you understand this lesson? Yes, very good. Thank you.